guys, we are looking at my new Sengled floodlight smart lights. So I have had smart lights set up all over my bedroom and recently realized that you can actually have these in your garage or out front your house, which is really cool. So I have them in the multicolor bulb here. They also do it in a white light bulb as well, if you prefer that. I think why not? With the color ones, you can do them in both a white color as well as colors. I'm like, all right, well, maybe I want to have a fun color out front or in my garage. So I think that's really cool. They work with both Alexa as well as Google. And there's no hub required on these. So it makes them really easy to set them up. The light bulbs itself should last about 25,000 hours. That's gonna vary depending on how many years use you get on how much you leave the lights on, basically. So bulbs look like this. That's your kind of standard floodlight. It's just flat up top. I've got the set of 2 in this box. So if you got 2 areas to place them, that's great. Changing the color on them, super easy. You can voice command to your Alexa or do that via your phone app as well. So you can even turn these on or off when you're not even at home, as long as you have a stable internet connection. So really great that way to making it look like your house is occupied, maybe even when you're not there, or if you want to come home to lights lit up. If you want to check out the app too, it's the Sengled Home app. You can kind of just see the different features on there, scene modes, timers. You can have these turn on or off at a specific time. There's a ton of really cool features on there. Definitely check them out. I love these.